Yo guys, this is Nathan Schmidt, your go-to guy for auto accessory news. We're out here at the SEMA show, and the very popular vehicle is the Cybertruck.
That it is.
We're up here in the Westin booth. We got Cameron here.
Sir.
Cameron, can you tell us a little bit about the accessories you got for this?
Absolutely, man. Yeah, so we're going to be doing a line of accessories for the Cybertrucks. Starting in the rear here, we've got our Pro Series rear bumper, and then to match it, we've got our Pro Series front bumper out on the front of the vehicle. On the sides, we're also featuring our HGX Extreme running boards.
Excellent. I got a couple questions for you. So
yes, sir.
Are there sensors in the back here that you have to accommodate for?
So that's the thing about Teslas. No, they don't really use sensors. Everything's camera-based for the most part. So the only thing you're going to have to extend and move is going to be your front camera for the front bumper, but we give you all the provisions to go ahead and do that and make it work.
Okay, excellent. Yep. So these running boards, are they made specifically for this vehicle?
Yes, so everything on here is application-specific, bumpers, and then the side steps as well.
Cool. Well, thanks for showing us around, Cameron. We appreciate it.
Not a problem, brother.